Now we're getting into the juicy stuff. Karma and love, one of the deepest, most soul-shaking areas of life. Romantic and soulmate relationships often feel bigger than just this lifetime, and many spiritual traditions, especially those that believe in reincarnation and karma, say they are. These connections can carry old wounds, unfinished business, or profound soul lessons. Let's break down how karma works in romantic or soulmate relationships in detail. 1. Karmic relationships. What are they? A karmic relationship is one where two souls are drawn together by unresolved energy or past life experiences. It may feel intense, magnetic, even fated. Often includes strong chemistry but also conflict, emotional triggers, and drama. The relationship feels like a lesson, sometimes one that hurts but wakes you up. Why do they happen? Because karma seeks resolution. The soul is trying to complete, heal, or balance what was left unfinished before. Examples. You abandoned someone in a past life, and in this life you feel a deep pull to stay. You betrayed or hurt each other before, and now you meet again to forgive and release. You made promises or vows, whether explicit or energetic, and the bond carries over lifetimes. Signs of a karmic or past life connection. Here's how people describe it. Instant familiarity or I've known you forever feelings. Emotional highs and lows, like an energetic roller coaster. Time feels warped. You connect fast as if no time has passed. Intuition tells you this is not just a normal relationship. You keep trying to walk away but feel pulled back in. These connections are rarely peaceful at first. They're here to wake you up to deeper truths about yourself. Soulmates, twin flames, and karma. Different spiritual systems define soulmate differently. Let's break it down. Soulmates, souls you've shared deep, loving, often healing relationships with over many lives. They may be romantic but can also be family, friends, or mentors. The relationship often feels easy, nurturing, and safe. Soulmates help your soul evolve in a gentle way. Twin flames. One soul split into two halves, embodying both masculine and feminine energies, reincarnating separately. When they reunite, it triggers massive spiritual growth, often intense, chaotic, full of push-pull dynamics. Not always meant to be together forever. Some say twin flames are mirrors, not mates. Many twin flame or soulmate theories suggest the connection includes heavy karmic energy that must be burned off through surrender, healing, and self-love. How karma plays out in romantic dynamics, past life scenarios that carry over. Power imbalances. One was dominant, the other submissive. Now they must learn equality. Abandonment or betrayal, one left to hurt the other. Now they must build trust. Unfinished love circumstances like war, caste, or family tore them apart. Now they get a second chance. Unhealthy patterns like codependency, jealousy, or possessiveness get repeated until they're healed. The karma loop goes like this. You hurt me, I hurt you, we meet again, and we repeat, until one or both awaken, forgive, and break the cycle. The goal of karma is not to punish or make us suffer, but to help us grow, balance, and evolve into a deeper version of love, unconditional, conscious, and whole. Healing karmic bonds. You can't always avoid a karmic connection, but you can transform it. Ways to heal karmic relationship karma. Awareness. Recognize the pattern. What keeps repeating? Inner work. Heal your own emotional wounds so you don't project them. Forgiveness. This is huge. Release blame, even across lifetimes. Boundaries. Sometimes the karma is released by walking away with compassion. Energetic clearing. Some use meditations, past life regression, or rituals to cut old cords or vows. Spiritual maturity. Ask, what is this teaching me? Love is soul evolution. Karma isn't here to trap you in drama. It's here to help you wake up to who you are, what you need to heal, and how to love more fully. Romantic karma can crack your heart open, teach you to love without attachment, show you your shadow and your light, and push you towards self-realization. And when two people consciously work through their karma, they can turn a chaotic bond into a sacred union. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational videos.